How to cook quesadillas. First, we need to know what our ingredients are. Obviously, by the name, we are going to need cheese. I will be using mozzarella cheese. And second, we will be needing tortillas. I'm using wheat tortillas, but you can use whichever type you want. And lastly, as a side, I will be making boiled eggs. Using the cheese grater will make the cheese easier to melt. Melting is a change of a solid to a liquid. It's also known as fusion. I'll be adding spinach to my quesadilla, but this is an optional step. The following step will be to cook the tortilla. We obviously also need to turn on the stove. Methane is commonly found in natural gas used in kitchens. Methane undergoes combustion through the following equation. Because energy is released in the equation, this indicates that it is an exothermic process. An exothermic reaction is when energy is released from the source to its surroundings. Conduction is a process of heat being transferred between objects through direct contact. The burners on the stove will conduct heat energy to the bottom of the pan that's on top. From there, the pan conducts heat to the tortilla. To boil water, the water must gain heat energy. Boiling is therefore an endothermic process. Endothermic reaction is any chemical reaction that absorbs heat from its environment. The temperature at which a liquid boils and turns to vapor is known as the boiling point. We'll use the boiling water to cook our egg. Convection is a process by which food is heated by moving heat source, such as the motion of boiling water in a pot. In case a kitchen fire starts, it's important to know that 3 things are necessary for combustion, which are fuel, oxygen, and the source of heat. Here are 3 effective methods to put out a fire. You can obviously use a fire extinguisher, but you can also cover it with a towel to cut off the oxygen. You can also place a lid over your pot or pan. And lastly, you can put baking soda over the fire to extinguish it. When your tortillas are cooked, you can add the cheese and place one tortilla on top of the other. Finally, I'll just be adding the spinach inside of the quesadilla. I'm going to go ahead and cut up the quesadilla. Your quesadilla will then be ready to eat. Thank you for watching.